This is the C26 in the always-on display on a beautiful AMOLED screen. Twist of the wrist, you can light it up into whatever watch face you choose, and there's a great selection of them. Pulling it down, you got all kinds of different controls here in brightness, an integrated music player, do not disturb information, overall settings. You can modify the down key over here, set the time, put in a password. Go in, of course, to all your system settings. You have different menu styles, display information. You can turn on or off a digital or an analog always on display. Just to show you quickly what it looks like with the digital, we can turn the screen off, and that's what you carry around with you that's always on till you twist your wrist. Different watch faces, like I said, a variety of them. You can download some from the store, including ones that have buttons like this where you can get into your heart rate or your step count information. And of course, all of this is available as cards when you come along the side. Last night's sleep time, weather, a music player, like I said, integrated. You can stream music from your phone here and all your different workout activities as well. Tap on the top, you get all of the different apps. You got a calculator built into this one, breath training, stopwatches, ladies, your female tracking is there, blood pressure, blood oxygen, heart rate are all integrated into it, and different workout activities you can do, and you can even see your workout records on the watch itself. This is a nylon band. Comes with a black band, but you can order it with an extra band for just a couple of bucks. It's amazing. This pushing this way, not down, come on you, is over to the side, shows a little pull-out panel with the time, phone calling, yep, Bluetooth calling in this one, and your most recently used apps. And when you let it time out, it'll go into that always-on display. Really nicely designed, good build, nice touches of color on this one, lightweight, very ruggedized. What can I say? It's a beautiful watch, the C26. Check it out.